Hello and welcome back to Blades and More with a review of this Firebird Ganzo F7551 folding pocket knife. This is a cleaver style blade on this knife, and cleaver knives have gained some popularity in the past couple of years, and this is a good example of a budget priced cleaver style knife. Comes in around $22, $25 price point, and it is a mid-size knife in that it is 7.87 inches overall length with a nice height to the blade, which is 1.75 or 1.75 inches high. Has G10 handle material and dual ambidextrous thumb stud opening, and the thumb studs have been anodized blue along with the hardware, the pivot head screw and the handle screws. The clip screws all anodized blue. Looks very nice. This knife has a blade material of 440C, and the blade length is 3.34 inches overall length. It's a nice flat grind with a large finger choil at the rear of the blade. Lets me clinch up on the blade very nicely. Has heavy jimping on the thumb ramp of the blade. I also can fit my large to extra large hands just on the handle itself, which is very nice. The handle length is 4.5 inches long when closed. Has a lanyard hole. It's a tip-up carry design with either right hand or left hand placement of the clip. Has nice centering of the blade in the handle. G10 handle material that's lightly textured with some sculpturing. Looks very nice. Stainless steel liners that have been skeletonized. Has the Ganzo G-lock patterned after the Benchmade access lock. It has a thumb stud opening hole at the tip of the blade that really can be used for two-hand opening, but it doesn't work well for one-hand opening. The knife weight is 4.16 ounces. The handle width is 0.5 inches, so it's a ½ inch thick. Just a nice cleaver style knife that comes in at a very attractive price point that has a lot of positive feedback. Let me show you a comparison of a couple other budget Chinese knives I brought in here. The Gerber flat iron. It's almost similar in size. I've also brought in a little less known one. It's the Firebird D2 blade cleaver style knife. It's also a Chinese brand. These knives all come in around the same price point. I'd say $20, $25. But out of the three, I certainly would say that Ganzo, this Ganzo F7551, would be the one that I would pick as the #1 choice, just as a great little cleaver knife. If you're considering the purchase, I would highly recommend it. All right, everybody. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you back again. I would appreciate it if you'd subscribe my channel by clicking this little round button right there. And thanks for watching. All right, bye now.